Okay, so for 5 months, OpenAI ran this pretty wild software engineering experiment.
And get this, the one rule was absolutely radical. 0 lines of code written by a human.
And the result? Well, they built the whole thing in about 1/10 of the usual time. Crazy, right?
And we're not talking some tiny app here. Their AI agent, Codex, cranked out 1,000,000 lines of code.
So you're probably wondering, how on earth is that even possible? It all starts with rethinking the engineer's job.
The engineer's job just completely flips. You're not a coder anymore. You're more of a steerer. This new role is all about designing environments, setting goals, and creating feedback loops for the AI. So instead of asking, how do I fix this code, the question becomes, what does the AI need? And this whole thing only works because of a concept they call agent legibility.
I love this quote. It's about giving the AI a map, not some 1,000-page instruction manual.
Yeah, because just dumping a giant text file on the AI, it doesn't work. It just becomes noise.
So their solution was super elegant. They made the code repository itself the single source of truth.
They literally structured it like a map with a docs folder that points the AI where to go. They call this progressive disclosure. Basically, the agent learns where to look as it goes.
But this isn't just about cranking out code. It's about making sure it's actually good code.
To do that, they used a really rigid, kind of boring architecture to keep things from getting messy.
And get this, they used custom linters to enforce the rules, which the AI wrote itself.
All this led to some insane numbers. We're talking 3.5 pull requests per engineer every single day.
When you're moving that fast, waiting is expensive. Correcting is cheap. That's the new mantra.
So what's the big payoff for all this work?
Well, it's full end-to-end autonomy. I mean, look at this. From one prompt, it finds a bug, fixes it, and merges the change.
To keep the code clean, they think of it like garbage collection, but for technical debt.
Which brings us to the core lesson. The real discipline isn't in the code, it's in the scaffolding.
So it really makes you think, what's more important now, the software or the system that builds it?